Welcome to Mishnah study Masechet Shabbat Perek Kaf, Mishnah Aleph. Over here, we're going to start to speak about the laws of Borer and Meraked, which is really separating, right? Separating some of the bad from the good, right? That's going to be an issue on Shabbat, using a strainer. If you want to use a strainer on Shabbat or on Yom Tov, are you allowed to or no? So Rabbi Eliezer says, and over here he's going to be more Mekel, interestingly enough, Tolin et hamishmeret beyom Tov. Right, you could go ahead and mishameret, right? You could go ahead and hang the mishameret. Mishameret is a strainer. It comes from the language of shemarim, right? Shemarim is the sediment, right? So it holds that sediment on top. So you could hang that that strainer. You put it over a barrel, right? And then you go ahead and pour something over it. So you let it go ahead and hang it up on Yom Tov. And you could go ahead and pour through one that was already hung pre-Shabbat. You let it pour through it on Shabbat itself. Hamim say no. You're not allowed to hang it on Yom Tov. You're not allowed to set it on Yom Tov. Right? There's an issue of going ahead and building an ohilarai. Right? You're literally building a cover for something. So that's not allowed. And you're not allowed to pour through the strainer on Shabbat because it's an issue. It's a melacha of meraked or borer, right? Either one of those it could be. Hanabam says one or the other. So that's an issue to do on Shabbat. What are you allowed to do? You are allowed to pour through a strainer on Yom Tov because we know on Yom Tov there are things that are allowed, and that is ochel nefesh. Ochel nefesh is allowed, and because you're allowed to prepare food on Shabbat, on Yom Tov, you're allowed to also use this strainer on Shabbat. Now, how come Hachamim are osir using the strainer on, in general, on Yom Tov? So the issue is you can't use it. Hachamim are osir using the meshameret, the strainer, because you can't go ahead and use something the way you would normally use it on a weekday, and halacha is like Hachamim.